Hours after debate, the Senate began voting today on a series of amendments that could bring them closer to an agreement on health care reform. But the path to getting there is once again not proving to be easy. Chief Congressional Correspondent Mike Emanuel is following all the late-breaking developments from Capitol Hill. Good evening, Mike.
Well, Brett, good evening. There's no obvious health care reform plan that can get 50 senators to support it, so they're voting on various amendments and could end up trying to pass a very narrow or skinny bill.
Ultimately, we want to get legislation to finally end the failed Obamacare status quo through Congress and to the President's desk for his signature.
The initial amendments have failed to get 50 votes. Kentucky Senator Rand Paul's amendment for a straight repeal allowing 2 years for a replacement was rejected 45 to 55. Last night, Texas Senator Ted Cruz's proposal to allow selling stripped-down, cheaper insurance plans was rejected by 9 Republicans and all Democrats.
My guess is we're going to have to figure out some kind of skinny-down version. It's disappointing to me, but we're going to have to keep this process moving. Otherwise, we're stuck with the mess that is Obamacare.
A member of the Senate Republican leadership signaled today that could be the path to 50 yes votes.
Repealing the individual mandate is something we all agree on, and repealing the employee or the job-killing employer mandate is something we all agree on. I think repealing a lot of the Obamacare taxes, which are driving up the cost of health care in this country, are things that we agree on.
But there's the issue of the 2 Republicans who voted against even debating the bill. Lisa Murkowski of Alaska and Susan Collins of Maine. A third GOP no would kill any plan. President Trump fired a warning shot from his Twitter account this morning. Senator Lisa Murkowski of the great state of Alaska really let the Republicans and our country down yesterday. Too bad. Key Democrats are focused on resisting the Republicans' effort.
Democrats will be here fighting for as long as it takes to beat back these shameful health care bills. We hear the American people. We hear you. We are on your side, and we will never give up.
Late today, an amendment from the Democrats tried to force this health care reform effort back to committee. That one failed too, 48 to 52. More amendment votes tonight and likely tomorrow night as well. Brett.
Keep you posted. Mike Emanuel up on the Hill. Mike, thanks.